Okay, there is a bird's nest in a wreath on our door, and I'm going to try to prove to you that this bird comes and goes in this nest. See, there's the wreath up on the door. Hang on one second. I'm going to see if that bird is in that wreath. Oh, did you see it? It just flew out of the wreath. Oh my gosh. Is that the weirdest? That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Okay, look, I'm going to get up to this nest. Can you see it? Check that out. That's a bird's nest in the wreath on our door. Brought to you directly from Larry's Live. You just never know when you're going to catch something like that. But as you can see, that bird flew right out of there. And I'm trying to see if there's an egg. Oh my God, there's an egg. Can you see the egg? Right there. I don't want to touch it because I heard that's not a good thing. Check out that egg. There is an egg in that nest. And I'm going to open this door. Actually, I'm going to knock. Because the door's locked. Now this bird stays in this nest even when he doesn't move to another nest, even though we're opening and shutting the door. That's so crazy. Okay. Well, you saw it, guys.